Today on Forbes, Elon Musk's endorsement of Trump could be a grave mistake for Tesla. During Tesla's earnings call this week, after the top electric vehicle maker posted disappointing results with worse than expected revenue from its car business, analysts and retail investors did not ask CEO Elon Musk the most obvious question. Why did you announce your vocal support for Donald Trump for president when that could politicize Tesla's brand for its mostly Democratic buyers? Musk's only acknowledgement concerning the heated political campaign was conceding that a second Trump administration would hurt Tesla's auto business if it makes good on ending EV-related subsidies from the Inflation Reduction Act, which have provided big financial benefits for Tesla and made its cars cheaper for consumers to buy. Musk also conceded Tesla might not move ahead with plans for a plant in Mexico, as Trump has said he'd jack up import tariffs on autos made there. Musk said, quote, "I guess it would be like some impact, but I guess it would be devastating for our competitors. It would hurt Tesla slightly." On Wednesday, Tesla shares dropped 12.3% to about $215.99 in NASDAQ trading. By midday Thursday, they'd climbed slightly back up. It should be noted that the Biden administration's legislation seeks to do exactly what the world's wealthiest person once claimed was Tesla's purpose, to, quote, help expedite the move from a mine and burn hydrocarbon economy towards a solar electric economy. But the risk Musk's company faces is far greater than the potential loss of $7,500 tax credits for its buyers and generous incentives for its battery plants created by the law. Musk is inseparable from the Tesla brand, so associating it with Donald Trump, a vocal skeptic of climate change, could cause more consumers to shun it. Ross Gerber, CEO of Los Angeles-based wealth manager Gerber Kawasaki, and once among Musk's biggest fans, said, quote, Elon isn't doing anything with the thought of what's best for Tesla at this point. Tesla sales in California are down substantially because of this. California is the biggest market for Tesla and one of the biggest markets for cars in the world. About 25% of the cars in California purchased are now EVs, so when you think about the brand damage, it's now beyond repair. While Tesla vehicle sales worldwide dropped 5% to 443,956 units in the year's first half, they were down 17% in California, where the company logged 102,106 sales in the same period. This according to the California New Car Dealers Association, which reported these numbers this month. At 23% of Tesla's total volume, the Golden State is by far its top market, rivaled only by China, the world's biggest buyer of EVs. And among U.S. buyers, people who identify as Democrats are most likely to purchase electric cars and trucks. Jessica Caldwell, head analyst for auto market researcher Edmunds, citing data that her company has compiled, said, quote, Democrats have an overwhelmingly more favorable opinion of EVs, with only 5% claiming to dislike EVs compared to 39% of Republicans. As America's partisan divides widen, Elon Musk's very public support of former President Donald Trump has the potential to alienate Democratic-leaning consumers who are more likely to be EV buyers and could therefore pose a significant threat to Tesla's bottom line. Already, the appeal of both Musk and Tesla to Democrats is dropping noticeably this year, according to Civic Science, a Pittsburgh-based consumer research firm. Rachel Clayton, Civic Science's senior vice president, citing responses from more than 16,000 people surveyed, said, quote, if we look month over month with how Tesla is viewed by Democrats, we do see a decline in favorability. In January, it was 36% favorable, 31% neutral, and 33% unfavorable. Favorable has dropped since then to just 17% for Democrats. Neutral is now 45%, and unfavorable is 38%. Musk's appeal to people who identify as Democrats is also falling, though it was already low with that group, based on responses from more than 8,000 people. Conversely, he's way up with Republicans. For most of this year, quote, favorables for Musk among Republicans were flat at 50%, dipped a little bit in June, and then shot right up to 58% in July. Musk officially endorsed Trump on July 13th, after the attempted assassination of the former president. Unfortunately, Republicans appear to be not as interested in Tesla's main product. Just 19% of Republicans have a favorable view of EVs, according to Edmunds' data. For full coverage, check out Alan Owensman's piece on Forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.